Hello, dear students. This is a question of potential. Okay. So to do this question, let's have a view to the question. What is given and what has been asked. Okay. So this is a coordinate axis x, y, z. Okay. As we have seen in the question, the variation or the question is given in z axis because minus and plus a is activated. So if we taking this is as the negative z axis, this is as the negative y axis, this is as the negative x axis. So this point suppose is 0, 0, minus a, and the distance is a, right? And this is the origin 0, 0, 0, and again positive side 0, 0, a. And here suppose it is a minus q charge, here it is plus q charge. The separation is two-way. This is the center of the dipole if we are considering this as dipole. And question has been asked about 0, 0, z. So let's extend it bit further. So suppose this is 0, 0, z point. So let us consider this is 0, 0, z point. And it is clearly given that z is greater than a. That means this is a case of axial points. That means if it is the plane, okay, this is a b, then we have to find at p, which is a axial point. So as potential is a scalar quantity, just we have to add them algebraically. So vp is equal to potential at point p due to a plus potential at point p due to b. Very simple. So if you are considering about this a point, that means PPA, then the distance between the charge and the point is just z minus a. As this total is z and this is a, so this portion is z minus a. Understood? This portion is z minus a. So VPA becomes k q z minus a. Okay, plus again we know that in case of potential the charge sign is remaining as such as it is a scalar quantity. So minus kq open. So this is the z, this is a, so z plus a, z plus a is the next potential vpb. So solving it further, so kq is taking common 1 by z minus a plus or minus 1 by z plus a, right? So just solve it. So z minus a, z plus a on multiplication becomes z square minus a square, and the numerator will become z plus a minus z plus a, as minus sign is there. So z cancelled out. So kq 2a by z square minus a square. Okay. So k means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this man may be the answer. KQA, KQ2A. Very good. This one is the answer. So your answer is C. Hope you have understood the beautiful concept of potential, where we are interested to find the potential or net potential at axial points. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay. So this is another question which was asked by Manisha. So look at the question and try to make the understanding out of it. So electric field V at a point xyz in space, right? So हमें जानी चाहिए electric field है ला vector function of position vector and potential है ला scalar function हम पढ़ी चाहिए scalar function of position vector. So position vector को space rich तार रिलेशन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एंड पोटेंशियल जदि हमें देखिबा ताले इटा एक्चुअली इक्वल टू माइनस del v by del r. That means partial differentiation. So as partial differentiation is not belonging to your course, तामने partial differentiation जे तुम course रो अंतर्भुक्त नुहे सेथि पाई ए जिनसडा को बुक रे माइनस dv by dr कहछंती. But that is a clear blunder. Okay, clear bundle. So say that ठीक नुहे, rather this is the right expression, and if you can express that in actual derivative, then the component form will be checked. Okay, so now it becomes minus delta v by delta x, ex component. Ey component will become minus delta v by delta y, and Ez component is equal to minus delta v by delta z, and this is I cap, this is z cap, and this is k cap. Very easy to understand and very easy to demonstrate. Okay, so let's begin. Ex is equal to, function is given 4x square, so derivative of 4x square minus del by del x of 4x square, so it becomes minus 8x I cap. So if we, let's move to the next page. If we are finding it Ey and it is 0, Ez it is 0. Why? Because those terms are absent. Understood? So if we are putting here Ex at the point 1, 0, 2, Ex at 1, 0, 2, then that becomes minus 8 meter, as all are given in meter. So electric field is minus 8 meter I cap. What does it mean? That is 8 meter in the negative x-axis, 8 along negative x-axis. So A is the right answer. Okay, Manisha, hope you have understood these two sum which you have asked. And the first one which you have asked is technically error. That means the point is not given. Might be the technical error, or the point is missing somewhere else. So keep enjoying the learning and keep enjoying this beautiful journey. Bye bye. Take care.